In many Asian countries, people swear by lightening properties of rice water. In fact, a lot of commercial products, including soaps, toners, and creams, contain rice water. Today in this video, I will share one super easy skincare routine with rice water. Follow this for 1 month and you can see a change in your skin complexion yourself. Coming to step number 1 of this routine, that is face cleansing. To make this, you will need 1 cup of rice, honey, and milk. Soak 1 cup of rice in water for 30 minutes. Now put this rice in a grinder, add some water and grind it well. Don't throw rice water, we will use that in toning step. Take the required quantity of this paste, add 1 spoon of honey and few drops of milk. Apply this paste on your face, rub it for 2 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes, and then wash it off. You can store the remaining rice in the fridge for future use. Use this cleanser daily in morning. Now coming to step number 2 of this routine, that is toning. To make this toner, you will need soaked rice water from step number 1. And rose water. Mix equal amount of rice water and rose water. Pour this in a spray bottle, and your toner is ready for use. After cleansing, pat dry your face, and spray this toner all over your face. Now coming to step number 3 of this routine, that is face pack. To make this pack you will need rice flour, oats, milk, and honey. In a clean bowl mix 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of oats. In this add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon milk. Mix it. If mixture is too thick, you can add more milk. Leave this mixture for 5 minutes, and then it's ready for application. Apply an even layer of this pack on your face, leave it for 15 minutes, and then wash it off. For best results use this pack 2 times a week.